Before you can install the new GitHub Copilot CLI using the npm, you need one small setup, Node.js and npm. In this video, I'll show you how to install both on Windows, macOS and Linux step by step using the latest version that works perfectly with Copilot CLI. Hello friends, I am Raji from Prosper Tech. This is the next video in my GitHub Copilot series. We have already installed Copilot using npm, and now we will make sure Node and npm are properly set up on your system so everything runs smoothly. Check if you have Node installed. First, open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command. If the above command returns the version number, you are all set. Now, check npm by typing the following command. If both command returns the version number, you already have Node and npm installed. If not, let's install them. On Windows, open your browser, go to nodejs.org and download the Windows installer version. Run the installer, that's it. After it's done, just open your PowerShell and run the following command. If you see version number appears, you are good to go. On macOS, you have two easy options. First one, open your browser, go to nodejs.org and download the macOS package. Or if you prefer using Homebrew, just open your terminal and type the following commands. Once it finishes, check it by typing the following command. You should see both version numbers right away. On Linux, you can download using package manager, for example Ubuntu or Debian. Run the following commands. Once it finishes, confirm with the following commands. If you see both version numbers appears, you are good to go. If your Node version is below 22 or npm below 10, upgrade them. You can update npm directly by running the following commands in your terminal. And to update Node, go to nodejs.org and grab the latest LTS version for your system. So here's the recap. Check Node and npm version, install the latest LTS for your OS, verify the installation. Now your environment is ready for the new GitHub Copilot CLI. You can go back to my previous video and install it. Link is given in the description. That's it. Node and npm are now installed on your system, no matter which OS you use. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and drop a comment with your operating system. I will reply with specific tips for your setup. And don't miss the next part where we will explore using Copilot interactively inside your terminal.